Big day in Snoopgate controversy. All eyes are on Top Court today, which is set to announce its verdict on Pegasus snooping row. On 13 September, the order had been reserved by a bench comprising of Chief Justice N.V. Ramana and Justices Surya Kant and Hema Kohli. The bench has said it only wanted to know whether or not the centre used Pegasus spyware through illegal methods to allegedly snoop on citizens. The row erupted when international media reported that over 300 verified mobile numbers, phone numbers, including the numbers of two ministers, over 40 journalists, 3 opposition leaders, activists and 1 sitting judge were on a potential list of targets for hacking through a spyware. Anusha Mathur is now joining us for the very latest. Anisha, what are you picking up in terms of what can be expected from the court? The Supreme Court's verdict is going to be final, of course, on the Pegasus probe. It really created flutters within the political circles as well. It was a matter of concern. What are we expecting from the Supreme Court? What are you picking up from the legal eagles at the moment?
Well, Chaiti, remember the Chief Justice had made it very clear that they do not want to interfere in a national security matter, but they do want to know if the rights of civilians were illegally infringed. On that note, the Chief Justice had suggested that they could set up a technical committee which could look into these allegations of illegal surveillance and snooping. Remember, the government had taken a very clear stand that they will not put anything regarding the surveillance mechanisms or the software used by the government validly in India in public domain. They would rather have a technical committee examine the allegations. The centre had denied that any such surveillance of civilians was happening. They had said that all surveillance and all tapping is done by proper mechanisms that are in place to protect the privacy of persons, to ensure that anybody who is not engaged in an anti-national activities or terrorist activities is not put under surveillance.
All right, we'll wait for the Supreme Court verdict on this particular issue.